So Bitcoin fulfills the promise that humanity has been searching for ever since the beginning of time, and that is perfect money. And perfect money allows humans to travel through time and space effortlessly and to achieve their full potential. And for many years, we used various pebbles and stones, and then gold was popular for thousands of years. And in 2009, Bitcoin came along, and it fulfilled this promise. It is effectively perfect money.
Welcome back to the Bitcoin Traveler. Today, we're delving into a compelling discussion featuring Max Keiser, the senior Bitcoin advisor to El Salvador's president. In a recent interview with RT, Keiser shared his insights on how nations worldwide are accelerating efforts to accumulate Bitcoin reserves. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. How do you perceive the global race for Bitcoin reserves? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Money. And now what we're seeing is the realization that Bitcoin, when you compare it to other stores of value, like fiat money or property or fine art or any kind of store of value, even the stock market or the bond market, is superior. And so now we're seeing trillions of dollars leave these other stores of value and find their way into Bitcoin. And what's interesting right now is that we've entered into really a new Sputnik moment, because various nations are scrambling to build up the biggest Bitcoin stock that they possibly can, because nations are beginning to understand that this is the new Prima Franca of the 21st century. The entire global economy is being rebuilt on top of Bitcoin.
When Max Keiser refers to Bitcoin as the new Prima Franca of this century, he's making a comparison to the historical concept of a lingua franca, a universal language used for communication across diverse regions and cultures, especially for trade and commerce. In this context, Keiser is suggesting that Bitcoin will become the global standard for money and trade, transcending borders, governments, and traditional financial systems.
Because at the end of the day, when you have something like Bitcoin that's better than anything else as a store of value, the market will recognize this, and you start to see people sell off other assets and move into Bitcoin. Right. Well, it's made a move from 30 cents a Bitcoin, where we first mentioned it on RT back in 2010. It's, as you point out, it's now over $100,000 per coin. So that's going to naturally be a volatile, bumpy ride from 30 cents to 100,000. Anyone who's held Bitcoin for at least 4 years hasn't lost a penny. So you have to have a outlook of at least 4 years to own your Bitcoin, and there you are mitigating the volatility risk. All other stores of value have a problem that as demand goes up, so does supply. Bitcoin is the only asset or commodity in the history of humanity that, as demand goes up, supply stays fixed at 21 million, and therefore the only thing in between that is price and price discovery, and that's what we're seeing right now.